Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This here is one of my newest designs. This is my special series bass D double drone flute tuned to 432 Hertz, but I rearranged it to where it sounds and performs way better. Folks, this flute here sounds way better and performs way better than any other bass D drone that I have produced so far. I'm getting pretty good at them, folks. I'm getting pretty good at them. With this bass D here, you can play each note basically the same air pressure, and you don't have to kill yourself playing it. It's super clear, it's loud, and this one here is a custom flute, of course, but I'm going to put it on the website to where if you want one just like it, you know, I'll put the link below where you can purchase one, because all of them basically is going to sound exactly like this one. And I'll give you many options. I'll give you different options for your totems or fetishes, whatever you want to call it. And this one here, she wanted an engraving, and you don't have to get it with the engraving. You can get it plain, and I'll give you that option. You know, it'll be the flute will be a cost cheaper without this engraving. And she wanted my beautiful Native American lady with an eagle, and looks like to me the eagle might be hugging her, but she also wanted a 9-hole double drone, and like I said, this is by far the best 9-hole double drone flute I have produced. And it's 432 Hertz also. Also, she wanted an eagle on one side and a wolf on the other. If you turn that flute around, you'll see my wolf fetish, you know, on the other side. You know, she wanted something a little bit different. And this wood here is black walnut, and it's a very hard wood, and it's A quality wood, folks. I mean, this is top dollar wood. I don't use cheap wood. This is high dollar wood right here. And as you can see, I have the mouthpiece, you know, pretty good for her. She doesn't have to kill herself trying to play it. And it has a satin shine. It's an oil finish. Oh yeah, she wanted 2 genuine turquoise stones in the center of the finger holes. And also she wanted one back there at the back. I forgot about that one. So she's got a stone at the back and a stone at the finger holes, in between each finger hole, and on the other side, on the drone side. And I'll give you that option also. You can choose how many stones you would like. You know, I'm going to give you the option to choose which fetish you would like. I'm going to give you many options. And I'm going to give you the leather and stuff for free. And this one here, you know, it has pretty long leather on it. It came out very beautiful. I think this is a very beautiful flute. And it's totally different than anyone else's design. You know, this one here has been bored out. The wood has not been split. It's been bored out with a 1 1/8 of an inch gun drill bit. This is a one-piece flute. On the flute sides, they have not been split. Those are one-piece flutes. Beautiful. Beautiful design, folks. What you think about it? If you would like to have one, like I said, I'm going to give you some custom options to choose from. And I'll put the link below this video where you can purchase your baby. And I'll have it on sale for you. Don't worry, I'm not going to kill you on this flute. You know, this is an $850 flute, but I'm not gonna kill you like that. You know, I'm gonna have the price low down for you. So go to the website and see what kind of deal I'm gonna give you. And also, I forgot to mention, I'm getting ready to send out deals and coupon codes to all my subscribers on my website. So you need to go on there and subscribe so you can be a part of that. You know, sometimes I'm gonna give a lot of percentages off, on some coupon codes where you can purchase, you can save more money on your flutes. Go on there, folks, and subscribe. Trying to help you out, I'm already helping you out with the sale price, and guess what? With the coupon, you'll get more off. That's wonderful. You've been good to me, folks. I just want to give back. And I want you to hear this baby here. But here's what it looks like on the bottom. Special series. You can see that 432 hertz. 432 hertz is for depression and anxiety. But listen at this baby. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, you can also play each hole individually. You can take and remove your leather, like so. And you can play this hole as a drone. You can remove this piece of leather. And I'm going to move it on down some. You can remove that hole, that piece of leather right there, just slide it down. And like that, and you can play this hole as a drone, And you can also remove this piece of leather. You can move it up or you can move it down. And you can play this hole as a drone. I'm going to demonstrate this one here just to shorten the video a little bit. I'm not going to show you how to play each individual hole. But the way I make my drones, you can also use the third hole from the bottom, from the top. Beautiful, 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 folks. God, that was so beautiful. You can do so much with this drone. I mean, it's just unreal how much fun you can have with it. You can sit there and you can spend time figuring out how to play these two holes also. I just showed you how to play this hole, and you can do more with that hole. You know, with all these holes open also. You can do more than what I just did. I just played a little song that I had learned, you know, today. And I enjoy this. I enjoy these flutes the way I'm making them now, folks. If you would like to have one like this one, I have the link below this video. Click on that link, it'll send you right there. And I'm going to have it on sale for you, so you better go ahead and get it. Have a good one, folks. I really appreciate everything everyone's doing for me. Be safe and enjoy life. Happy fluting.